In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Cash App to Apple Pay without needing a physical cash card. This is really helpful if you never ordered the card or simply don't have it with you right now. Let's get started. First, you need to make sure that Apple Pay is properly set up on your iPhone. Open the Wallet app and confirm that Apple Pay is active and ready to use. Once that's done, the next step is to connect your Cash App card to Apple Wallet digitally. Now, open the Cash App on your iPhone and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Also, double-check that you have a balance available in your Cash App wallet because you won't be able to transfer anything if your balance is zero. Having money in your Cash App account is important for this to work. After that, tap on the three dots or profile icon in the top right corner of the Cash App screen to open the menu. From here, go into Settings. Inside the Settings section, look for the option related to your Cash App card. Even if you don't have a physical card, you can still add the virtual card to Apple Pay. When you select the option to add your Cash App card to Apple Wallet, you'll be prompted to enter or confirm your card details. Just follow the on-screen instructions and approve any verification requests. Make sure your iPhone has Face ID or Touch ID enabled, as Apple Pay may ask for authentication during this process. If you run into any issues at this stage, make sure that Cash App is fully updated on your iPhone and that you're logged into the correct account. Also, Cash App may not be available in some regions, so availability can depend on your location. Once your Cash App card is successfully added to Apple Wallet, your Cash App balance becomes usable through Apple Pay. You can now use Apple Pay to make purchases or payments directly, and the money will be deducted from your Cash App balance, all without needing a physical card. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to use Cash App with Apple Pay, even if you don't have a cash card.